Good morning, gorgeous beings. Check out the magic this morning. Gorgeous sunrise. Who else adores the magic of nature and is guided and follows the magic of nature each and every day? I am here to share more of this beautiful magic from nature and our ancient wisdom. Let us know if you would love to discover more and how we can bring nature's magic into the everyday. Explore this gorgeous holistic well-being, this sacred way to live. Let us know if you would love to learn more about bringing in nature's magic.